So Nvidia is the second trade that got the masses' attention.
For people to know, tell us what Nvidia is.
Nvidia is a semiconductor. They're essentially the most popular stock and the best company. I think they're worth more than Apple now. They're the most valuable company in the world. They sell the chips for semis, and like they have a whole broader thing beyond just that. But essentially, they're a semiconductor company. They buy and sell chips. So in 2022, that's when the CHIPS Act. If you remember this $54 billion CHIPS bill that Biden and Pelosi pushed, she bought, and this is where social media, again, why it's powerful, and the pressure started building up to her at this point because people were following the trades, the markets were crushing it, she was crushing it in 2021. When 2022 came around, the CHIPS Act comes out, $54 billion of infrastructure for chips and subsidies for them. She bought Nvidia, I think, a couple months before that.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. It's the problem with her is every trade is suspicious. There's never a trade that you just are like, okay, I could not. And I'll get into them without, there's a couple more I can get to. But with that Nvidia trade in particular, she bought it. The CHIPS Act comes out. We start making TikToks. We start tweeting about it. And then everyone's like, what the fuck? What's going on with that? She then sells it for a loss because the stock was already coming down. This was when the market started falling.
Yeah.
And she ended up selling it for a $300,000 loss.